Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about what to do when an iPhone connects to Wi-Fi but won't connect to internet. So, you grab out the iPhone and are ready to check the weather or browse social media pages. However, the phone will not load any internet content even though it's connected to the Wi-Fi network showing good signal strength. You head to the network settings but only to find that the iPhone connects to Wi-Fi but says no internet connection. Panic sets in as you have no idea why this will happen and how to get the internet working again on iPhone. Worry not, we'll help narrow down the causes and share some solutions to resolve the issues. Why is your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi but no internet connection? It depends. If the no internet access issue occurs on all devices, then it could be something wrong with the router. The potential causes include incorrect IP address, misconfigured router settings, ISP going down, service outage, network congestion and low internet speed, or faulty router or modem. If only your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi but says no internet while other devices all have a good connection via the same network, then the device itself might be at fault. It can be due to system glitches, conflicts on network settings, outdated operating system, corrupted DNS cache, damaged Wi-Fi antenna. Now, let's walk through how to fix an iPhone connected to Wi-Fi but no internet access. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18 to get back online. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Reboot the router and modem. First of all, unplug the router and modem from the power outlet or press the power button to switch them off. Wait for a few seconds, then plug the cable back or press the power button again to turn them on. Meanwhile, contact the router's manufacturer to make sure the router is running the latest firmware and supports your device. Once done, connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi and see if it gets an extremely good internet connection via the Wi-Fi this time. Test if the router and modem have a stable internet. For a public Wi-Fi network, it's needed to enter your email ID or phone number in a sign-in page to use the internet connection. If the home Wi-Fi connection has no internet on iPhone, use your Wi-Fi network on other devices. If no devices can get online, contact the internet service provider to see if there is a service outage or something going wrong with the LAN cables, router or modem. If the Wi-Fi internet connection is in good order with multiple devices except for your iPhone, now it's time to attempt some troubleshooting steps on the phone. Keep watching to try them one by one. Reboot the phone. To resolve an iPhone that says Wi-Fi connected but no internet, the first step is to reboot your phone. If you use an iPhone 10 or newer, press and hold the volume up or down button and the power button. If you use an iPhone 8 or older, press and hold the power button. When the red power off slider pops up, drag it to shut down the phone. Wait for a few seconds, then long press the power button until the Apple logo comes up. Now, let the device boot up. Connect to the Wi-Fi network again and see if the restart manages to get the internet connection working on your iPhone. Switch on airplane mode, then turn it off. Doing this can help refresh the Wi-Fi connection to remove conflicts if any. Open the control center on your iPhone. From there, tap the airplane mode button to enable it. Wait for a few seconds, tap it again to shut it off. Better still, remember to disable the VPN. Then, connect your iPhone to the Wi-Fi network again to see if you can get normal speed on Wi-Fi to the internet. Upgrade the iOS version on your phone. Ensuring your iPhone is up to date can help prevent Wi-Fi networks having no internet connection and optimize the wireless network function. To do this, make sure the phone has sufficient battery life and stable internet connection. Then, navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Choose Software Update. After it shows you a notification with details about the iOS update, hit the Download and Install button and complete the following steps to trigger the update process. Once your phone is up to date, test if your iPhone now connects to the Wi-Fi without saying no internet access and get you back online in no time. Forget the Wi-Fi network, then reconnect. This is another way to refresh the Wi-Fi network connection to fix an iPhone that connects to Wi-Fi but no internet connection. To do that, navigate to the Settings app. Tap on Wi-Fi. Find the wireless network that's connected but has no internet connection and choose the blue More Info icon next to it. In the next page, tap Forget this network. Then choose Forget to confirm. Wait for a few seconds, then find the Wi-Fi network. Tap it and enter the correct password to connect the network again. Once connected, Open a browser and test the internet connection by browsing any website. Turn on location services for network and wireless. This trick comes from the official forum that's proven by some users. If you haven't tried it before, just take a few seconds to give it a shot to fix an iPhone that is connecting to Wi-Fi but saying no internet connection. To do that, navigate to the Settings app. Scroll down to find and tap Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Make sure the Location Services feature is turned on. Then, scroll down to find and tap System Services. In the next screen, toggle on the Networking and Wireless option. If it's already on, tap to turn it off, then turn it back on again. Remember to test if you're able to access the internet at typical speeds after connecting the iPhone to the Wi-Fi. Toggle off the Wi-Fi Assist feature. You might not have heard that before. The Wi-Fi Assist feature will automatically switch your iPhone from a Wi-Fi connection to cellular data when it detects that wireless signal is poor. When your iPhone connects to Wi-Fi but can't connect to internet, it's likely that the Wi-Fi Assist feature is on. To get back the internet connection, follow these steps to turn it off. Navigate to the Settings app. Tap on Cellular option. Scroll all the way down and locate the Wi-Fi Assist option. If it's on, just tap the toggle to turn it off. Try connecting to the same network with different Wi-Fi frequency bands. Switching Wi-Fi channels is also an effective way to solve the issue that Wi-Fi is connected but iPhone shows no internet connection. For example, if most devices at your location is connected to a 5 GHz network, switch to the 2.4 GHz frequency band. This means to connect the another network with the same name without showing 5G. Renew DHCP lease of the Wi-Fi network. If there are too many devices connected to the same wireless network in one area, it's possible that several devices including your phone are assigned with the same IP address. To fix such an issue, follow these steps to renew DHCP lease on your iPhone. Navigate to the Settings app. Tap on Wi-Fi. Choose the blue eye icon next to the name of the Wi-Fi network that's connected but not working. In the opening page, scroll down to find DHCP, which will be under the IP address part. Tap on the Renew Lease option and complete the prompted steps to continue. See if your iPhone has a solid internet connection via the connected Wi-Fi network. Change to Google's DNS. If your iPhone shows it's connected to Wi-Fi but you are unable to access websites on Safari, considering changing to Google's DNS to enhance the internet browsing experience, head to the Settings app. Choose Wi-Fi. Hit the blue eye icon next to the name of the connected wireless network with no internet. Scroll down a little bit and choose Configure DNS. Tick Manual. Choose Add Server, and then enter 8.8.8.8. Once done, tap the Save option from the top right corner. Perform a network settings reset. In any issues related to internet, restoring network settings back to their default values has been proven an effective solution. This is also true when you're connected to a Wi-Fi network but can't get online. Make sure you have a backup of password or network configuration before starting, as this step will delete all of them. Once you're ready, here's what you need to do. Navigate to the Settings app. Tap on General. Then, scroll down to find and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. In the next page, tap on the Reset option. In the opening menu, choose the Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter the passcode correctly to start the reset process. After the reset, rejoin the Wi-Fi network again to see if it's connected to internet now. Go to the repair store for hardware evaluation. If your iPhone is connected to the Wi-Fi network but there is still no internet connection, the components taking charge of Wi-Fi, like the Wi-Fi antenna on the device, might be broken. As it needs service, book an appointment at the repair store nearby, then bring your phone there to run a full diagnosis. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix an iPhone that connects to Wi-Fi but says no internet access. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in using the device again. If you did, please consider liking and buying this video a super thanks. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more tech-related content. Until next time.